Welcome to the world of interactive gaming, where artificial intelligence meets creative programming. Today, we are going to show you how to create a game using the power of ChatGPT and P5.js. Okay, so first, let's set up a development environment. Before that, we can just go and see what we're gonna do. So, I think you must have heard about this game, Flappy Bird. You must have played it as well. Let's do it. It's a bird. We have to set. Oh, yeah. So I'm so bad in gaming. Anyways, so you get the idea, right? So this is the game that we are going to create without doing much coding. It's like a no code. Okay. So for doing this thing, we are going to use an existing platform, which is P5.js. Here it is, P5.js. So this is a creative coding platform which is in place a long time back. So it helps people writing code fast because they have some inbuilt libraries, and a lot of people use it to create visuals in JavaScript on the browser, and it's very easy to use. It's like setup, create canvas, background. Okay, cool. So this is a boilerplate code which comes. So here we are. But to do this thing, we need a code, and as I told you earlier, we are not going to write much code, or maybe nothing at all, right? Okay, before we start, we can do this with free version of ChatGPT as well, and we can also use a newly launched code interpreter plugin that we have with comes with ChatGPT 4, right? Okay, so let's begin and start our journey. Now we need to tell ChatGPT to do something, right? So here it is. Write P5.js code for Flappy Bird, where you control a bird continuously flying between the series of dark green pipes, and the bird flaps, right? The bird flaps every time you click the mouse. If the bird falls to the ground or hits the pipe, we lose. This game goes on infinitely until we lose, and we also get points the further you go. So, right, it's a normal game. We're going to get the points as well. So let's change it. Oh, further. There you go. That's correct. Right. So let's see. Okay, so here it is. All the code without doing anything. How impressive is the world we live in, right? Nobody would have imagined this 5 years back, or 2 years back. Okay. So cool. This is ready. But okay, let's do it. Let's copy the code and put the code here, paste, and then run this. Nothing happened. That's okay. Oh, you can see. Game over. You see, there's nothing right now, but anyway. Right, so we need to save it. So let's give it a name. Flappy Bird. Yeah, that's it. Flappy Bird. Sorry, I'm just so sensitive with the words. Okay, cool. Let's just save it. Flappy Bird. Right. So you can see so there's nothing, there's no texture, there's nothing at all, right? So we need to build that thing. So that right now we just have the code, but we need the assets like the bird, the pipes and everything, because this is so basic. If you see the code, there's nothing much, right? There's nothing much if you see. Okay, so here I have to click. You see the code, right? We're just drawing the background and pipes. There's nothing much. There's no bird. Where is it? Okay, so what we need to do, we need to find some assets. So this is the one let's search, which comes up when you try to search Flappy Bird assets in the Google. Okay, let's go here and see. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we'll just clone it and we're gonna use the files which are present over here. And for us, we just need, you know, some background files like day, night, base, bird, flapping, mid flap, up flap, down flap, nothing more, right? Because this is just a basic implementation, but you can go ahead and do whatever you want, right? So I have downloaded all these for myself already on my local. I'm going to use it, but how I'm going to use it? So at this right hand side, you can see there's a file section, and I'm going to upload the files here. I don't need much, but that's fine. Let's put everything in. So you can see files getting uploaded. The color is changing from red to, from gray to red, right? Okay, cool. So now again, we're not going to write any code. We will use ChatGPT to do that. Let's ask, since there are no assets, we want to put our custom assets. We need to preload those so that we can see the bird and pipes. Okay, so, and we need to provide, what do we need to provide? Yeah, we need to provide the file names, right? Yeah, here are the file names. Which are to be loaded, right? So if you see, we need to use background day.png, because if you see, so now we need to tell, I just need to copy these names from a text pad and paste it in the ChatGPT like this. Let's see. Yes, you see, everything is same. It's just that it's loading the assets. So what we can do, we just copy, or we can just copy complete code and paste it here, right? If it's creating canvas, it's bird, new pipes, it's loading the background image, which is going to be background day. Okay, and it's creating the pipes. Let's do it, and let's see where this bird is. Oh, here we have the bird. The bird 64, height by, okay, y section is height by 2. So okay, I think That's fine. Let's see. Let's save it and run it and see how it looks like. Oh ho! The game over is not even started. Something is definitely wrong. Okay, looks like there's some problem. And now let's check with ChatGPT. What is the exact problem? Right? We need to debug. So something not right. The game is getting over without even a single click. Let's see. Oh, here it is. So there's some oversight. But what was the oversight? To fix the issue, we need to add a condition to check if the game is over before uploading the game. Yeah, that's right. Right? Oh, if the game is not even started. So yeah, here's the code. Cool. Let's copy the code and paste it. Let's save it, guys, and run it. Okay, click to start. Uh-oh, again game over. Let's check with ChatGPT again. What's wrong? That's what it is for. Not working again. Okay, so what is the issue? Let's say if it seems there was another oversight in the code, the mouse click function was not being triggered because the function name was incorrect. Oh, it should be mouse press. Here's the click the code. Cool. Let's save it and run it. Click to start. Okay, so let's ask again. What's the problem? Oh, see, the ChatGPTs keep correcting himself or herself. Doesn't matter, right? Let's see. Let's copy it and then see if it works or not. Let's save and let's run it. Click to start. Oh, yes, we are able to fly a bird. Yahoo! Oh, that's cool, right? We are able to create the game. Okay, now let's play it again. Now we have to fly. Fly. Uh-oh. But if we keep getting this pipe again and again, this is not gonna work, right? We should fly. Let's change the code a little bit more. We see that the pipes are way too long and blocking the game. Can we make sure that it is a fair thing? Maybe. Let's see. Okay, so it is going to make some adjustment. Okay, so the background image, fine. Okay, anyways. Okay, so I already have the code interpreter, but I have used the quota limit because it is like we can only make 25 requests in first 3 hours. So I think I will be able to use it after 30 minutes or so, but not before that. And it's a little slower also. Not sure why. See, this was not supposed to happen. It's like way too slow. But this ChatGPT has certainly changed the life of a developer in leaps and bounds. Earlier when I used to code, then it used to make so much effort, right? Setting up the environments, and you know, if you're a developer, you certainly know this thing, that setting up an environment even before you begin to code is a hassle. It takes so much of your time, and at times it's always a blocker. And the people who are learning any new technology or platform, they just feel, you know, like they don't want to do it because it's just a blocker for them. And it happens. It's a very natural thing to happen, right? Anyway, so because of this ChatGPT and AI, I think the game has changed. Anybody can be a developer. Okay, so we're constructing the pipe here. Just waiting for this code to be completed. Okay, so what it's doing right now is just making sure the adjustment in the pipes so that the bird can pass through, you know, because suppose if the spacing between two pipes which are at top and bottom is not good, then we will not be able to get through. Like, it will be a very difficult game. Maybe that could be another thing, that, you know, if you increase the if you increase the game level, probably you can decrease, or you can decrease the spacing so that, you know, test the player, right? Okay, let's start again, and here we can see that we are but you get the thing, right? We are able to solve that problem with the ChatGPT. Isn't it great? So let's play it again once more. Okay, let's play it again. Oh, we have okay, I'm not a good player anyway, but you can see what we're able to do right now, right? We are able to create a game from scratch without coding anything. We're just providing the instructions to ChatGPT, and here it is. You can create such awesome games. But here again, the last thing which I would like to say, that we can do the similar thing with code interpreter, which is going to be the next big thing. And and the only thing is that debugging will be much more easier. Okay, so we are good. We're able to create the game, isn't it? So ChatGPT is brilliant, isn't it? Okay, so here we can end this tutorial with on a high note, right? Because without writing a code, we are able to create a game. How beautiful is that? Okay, so now what I would like you to do is, you know, maybe you can just try yourself and create some different variations and let me know in the comment section. And yeah, as everybody says, you know, to like the video, subscribe and share. You do it if you want. If you don't want, it's okay. I just love AI. Thank you.